1-6, muscle up. You're tuned into my car channel where I talk about nothing but cars. And I'm at the Pavilions car show over in Scottsdale by the Talking Stick. This is one of the longest running car shows out here, and it's got a nice turnout. So I'm gonna take a stroll through here, check out some of the cars, hit that like, hit that subscribe, and represent. Oh wow, this twin turbo right here. Check this out. So this is a this is a sleeper right here. You look at this, and you wouldn't think like, oh, this car is working with something. It's got the patina look, but you mess around and get blown out the water. It's a cool sleeper. 98 Oldsmobile. It's a nice mixture. In this area is a car that I believe 95 and older. And then outside they have a lot of the newer cars. But they also have some of the newer cars coming in here after a certain time. It's a clean Impala right here. Got a nice look to it. Little retro interior. It's a clean Impala right here. This red SS. I like the wheels on it. Look like it's pretty original too. That's clean. It's a nice cruiser. This is clean. It's Malibu. Sniper setup. That's a clean 396 SF. LS3. Sitting real nice up in there. It's a clean Camaro. Take a peek inside. Looks like it's got the newer SS seats, and it's selling it for $120K. 550 horse. Super turbo. Nice assortment of cars out here. Mustangs, Corvettes. Now check this out. It's a cool Maserati Shamal. This is cool. I'm familiar with the bi-turbo. I'm not familiar with this model. This is badass. Compact. It's like a wide body version of the bi-turbo.
Well, one guy had an automatic. Okay.
It's cool.
Struggle at all.
A lot of vets. here's a, looks like a 67 RSSS. Got the LS heads on it there. That's cool. So you got the old school coil packs on there. It looks like he still has, he has fuel rails.
And overhead console too.
Huh, interesting.
Fun little toy. Appreciate it.
Nice. All original looking interior. Clean. Seafoam. More people rolling in. A lot of Corvettes. A couple of 914s over here. The Barney Rubbles. Kind of like these though. They're coming up on the radar. Wifey likes these too. Pretty cool.
And he lets people do their job, and you know, they have the right people.
Well, they really brought the IndyCar program along too, you know, because nobody was competing.
Yeah, I know. This is like
They got embarrassed at Indy with Fernando Alonso. They got pretty embarrassed there.
Cool.
They weren't prepared.
Nice Porsche. How you doing?
Good. How about you?
Cool Porsches, man.
I can't remember the hat.
Never settle for average. E30 turbo. It's a nice build. In this 68 fastback.
When I left it for the record,
It's a clean Bel Air. The white interior. Yeah, it is.
colors.
Got white and orange, like orange crush. It's clean. So that's a quick stroll through the Pavilions Car Show. Hope you enjoyed it. Leave a comment, share the channel, subscribe, represent. Big Herc 916. Visit BigHerc916.com to pick up a limited edition GTA poster signed by me for $10, or with your purchase of a Wig Splitter Porsche t-shirt, I'll throw in a free poster signed by me for you.